Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe feature in VN video editor application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to select video paste. Okay, and I'm going to add video from stock on VN. Wait, I'm just going to select random video or random background from here. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm going to add this footage to my project. Alright, and I'm going to show you how we can use the keyframe. So basically we can use the keyframe to add movement to an object such as tag, sticker, or maybe photo. I'm going to add sticker first, and I'm going to use keyframe to add movement to the sticker I add to my project. For example, I'm just going to add the sticker to my project. Okay, and I'm going to animate the sticker. Wait guys, I'm going to show you how we can use the keyframe. If you want to use keyframe, you just need to tap on the object you want to animate. I'm gonna click on my sticker, and then this is how the keyframe feature looks like, and you just need to tap on this keyframe to use it. Wait, I'm going to make it smaller, and for instance I'm going to create like bounce effect or bounce animation. Okay, tap on the keyframe, and then I'm going to move it down like this. Okay, and then the keyframe will be automatically added, and move it up again, and I'm gonna move it down to create bounce effect for the sticker like this guys. Okay, then I'm going to move it down, and then I'm gonna make it disappear. Okay, now it's done. The keyframe has been added to my sticker, and I'm going to show you the result like this. And you can use the keyframe to create like animation for your object. Alright, okay guys, and that's all the way we can use the keyframe feature in VN video editor application on our mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.